Welcome to Wisdom Wednesdays, Coach Clarence. This week I'm discussing things you might want to take note of on your credit report. This is a big topic that comes up. Every year, you know you're entitled to a free credit report from all of the credit bureaus. When you receive your credit report, it's a great time to check for any errors before deciding to buy a home, refinance your home, get a loan on a car. There's a lot of information. A lot of times it is incorrect, so it's a good idea to study. You can request a review at annualcreditreport.com. When you receive your credit report, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau recommends you do the following. Okay, check that it contains only items about you. Look for inaccurate information or information that's incomplete. There are a lot of common errors that I see on credit reports. Errors made to your identity information, wrong name, phone number, address. Accounts belong to another person with the same or similar name as yours. This is mixing of two consumers' information in a single file. It's called a mixed file. These are something you want to make sure you take note of. Also look for incorrect accounts resulting from identity theft, incorrect reporting of account status, closed accounts, reported as open. You also want to make sure if you are put on as the owner of an account when you're just an authorized user. Accounts that are incorrectly reported as late or delinquent. Okay, incorrect date of last payment, date open, date of first delinquency. These are things you need to check for. Also, look for things that are in your name that aren't your name. Check your credit report multiple times to find this information. It's very important. Make sure that the balances are correct, okay? Make sure that you have the correct credit limit. If you find any of these types of errors, definitely contact the credit report bureau, or you can contact me. I can help you get that stuff fixed. It takes a little time, but it's important because it affects your credit. So checking your credit and correcting an error is a great first step if you're considering buying a home, refinancing, anything when you're dealing with your credit. It's important to know these things. Again, once a year, you can get a free report, That way, instead of someone like me saying, hey, we got to fix this on your credit, you already know, and you can get that process going. All right. So, this is a brief little chat here about, what you need to do on your credit report. So this is Coach Clarence, and I hope this information was helpful, and I'll see you guys next week.